warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear audience, honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am here to present a speech on the value of time. Time, it is one of the greatest gifts Allah has given us. We all know that time is very important in our life. Time is the most valuable in the world. Time never waits for anyone. Every second or minute is moving forward and will not come back. All things are born on time, grow on time and die on time. When we talk throughout the Quran and Sunnah, we find many more examples and proofs concerning the value of time. Allah the Almighty and His Messenger Prophet Muhammad very clearly tell us the value of time. Ibn Abbas radhiyallahu narrated that Prophet Muhammad said, "Ni'matani maghbun fihima kasirun minan nas suhhat al-farag." This meaning of hadith, there are two blessings which many people lose. There are health and free time for doing good. Bukhari hadith number 421. Islam encourages Muslims to care for time. We have to remember on the day of judgment, we shall be asked how we spent our lives, wealth and knowledge. In many verses Allah says importance of value of time, such as Surah Al-Asr, Ad-Duha, Ash-Shams, Furqan, etc. Allah says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Wal Asr, Innal Insana Lafi Khusr. By the meaning of verses, by the time verily man is in loss. Al-Asr, in other verses Allah says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Wash-Shamsi wa Duhaha, Wal Qamari idha talaha, وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا جَلَّاهَا وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَاهَا. Meaning of verses, by the sun and its brightness, by the moon as it follows, by the day as it shows up brightness, by the right as it conceals its. Surah Ash-Shams. In this said Muslim, is this the knowledgeable who realizes that he kill and waste it, that he kill and waste be questioned, how can he surely you ask about your time? Prophet Muhammad said, "An umrihi fima afnahu, wa an shababihi fima ablahu." This meaning of hadith, his life, how did he consume it his youth, how did or it out. My dear fellows, we all are familiar with the most famous proverbs. Time is money and time is gold. It's a common saying in our modern life. Prophet Muhammad said, take advantage 5 matters before you other 5 matters. Number 1, your youth before you become old. Number 2, before you other fall sick. Number 3, your wealth before you become full. Number 4, your free time for before you death. Musnad Imam Ahmad. So, my dear listener, if you want to do something better in life, it needs proper use of our time. It is a true saying that time and tide wait for none. We must be careful, conscious use of our time. So my dear fellows, don't waste your time, mind it. That's all about me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Still, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.